The worst building products that might be in your house. Episode 1. I'm going to start off with the good one. Polybutyene plumbing. These are your water supply lines. They get little holes in them, then they get big holes, and they flood your whole house. Let's see what they look like. Used from the 1970s to the 1990s, this is what these things look like. I've only ever seen them in gray, but apparently they also come in a couple other colors. Give me a second. But how you're going to know them is PB2110 or this one right here, which I can't see. It is D3309. Look out for those. These things have bad pipes and fittings. Some people that got their polybutylene pipes replaced really just got their fittings replaced. They were both bad. What happens with the pipes itself is they degrade over time. The chemicals in the water, like the chlorine, make little holes in it. Then one day they throw a big old party and they flood your whole house. And this is always going to be when you're out of town, you have a guest coming over, or you're having a particularly stressful time of your life. So what can you do about it? The only way to really fix it is to spend about $500 to $800 per water fixture in your house and do what we call a repipe, which is replacing all the water lines in your house. In addition to that price, you're also going to be paying a lot to your drywallers and painters because your plumbers have just completely destroyed your house, potentially, depending on how your house is laid out. I know of people that insist that decreasing the water pressure in their house has solved the problem. I cannot say whether that works or not, but if I had polybutylene plumbing in my house, I would be turning down the water pressure. Now, outside of turning down your water pressure, what do I recommend? Number 1, checking your homeowner's insurance policy. See what they cover. Turn off your water when you go out of town. Don't have guests over, and avoid having stressful situations in life. You can also cross your fingers, put on your rally caps, collect 4-leaf clovers, pray to your God, whatever works for you. So this is Investing in Georgia. I'm Alan. I'm a Georgia licensed contractor and realtor. I help people with Georgia-specific residential construction and real estate, from home ownership to investing. If you have any questions, my contact information is below. Thank you.